This is Hotjar Recordings Explained, and let me break this down for you. Basically, you're watching exactly how people use your website. It's like looking over someone's shoulder while they browse your site, except they have no clue you're there. You see every click, every scroll, every time they move their mouse around. The whole thing starts in your Hotjar dashboard. Click on Recordings in the left sidebar, and boom, there's your session library. Every single visitor interaction gets stored here automatically. Each row shows a different person's visit with stuff, like when they showed up and what device they used. Just hit play on any session and you're watching their entire experience unfold. What's wild is how much the mouse movement tells you. People move their cursor to where they're looking or thinking about clicking. When they sit there for ages, not doing anything, they're usually reading or trying to figure out what to do next. Sometimes you'll see rage clicks, where someone hammers the same spot over and over because they think something should happen, but it doesn't. Then there are dead clicks, when they click on stuff that looks clickable but does absolutely nothing. You start noticing patterns pretty quickly. Some visitors can't find your navigation to save their lives. Others scroll up and down like crazy looking for something. The ones who hit the back button super fast, yeah, they got confused or frustrated and bailed. The filtering options actually come in handy here. You can sort by device type to see how differently people behave on mobile versus desktop, or filter by specific pages to focus on areas that matter, like your checkout or contact forms. Makes it way easier to find the sessions you actually care about. Once you install that tracking code, everything happens automatically. New recordings just keep showing up as people visit your site. The free version gives you 35 sessions per day, which resets every 24 hours. Here's what I've learned from watching tons of these. Look for patterns, not individual weirdness. If multiple people struggle with the same thing, you've got a real problem. One confused person might just be having an off day, but when you see the same issue repeatedly, that's your site causing trouble. The biggest eye-opener is realizing how different your perspective is from actual users. What seems totally obvious to you can completely baffle real visitors. Your navigation makes perfect sense in your head, but watching people actually try to use it shows you where the gaps are. Instead of guessing what might be wrong, you get to see exactly what is wrong.